Hey guys, welcome back to Motorcycle Maintenance Channel. On this episode, we're going to show you how to install some low voltage LED lights on this R6 motorcycle. Alright, so to take out the light bulbs to install our LED headlights, we just twist that over to the unlock position and pull the boot down. There we go. So that little clip, you just push it down and away and it comes open. So you really shouldn't need any special tools for this. And just pull it free from there. You don't want to touch it with your hands. All right. Now we will take the tape off of here. What is this? Huh. Alright, I'll take this connection off. I don't know what those other wires are that connect to it. You might have HIDs. Here's our new LED light. We got a little surprise in that we didn't know we were going to have a HID come out of here. It was an HID light. So we're just going to plug in our LED. There he goes. And then put him in here. Alright, so there it goes. You just have to, you kind of have to twist it in a little bit just to make it sit flush against it. And once it does that, then you can pull the stock wire clip that holds it into place. And we just need to get this little pin on the other side of the hook down there. Okay, so there it goes. Back into place. Might have to play with it a little bit. So we're going to how are we going to do this? Where is that little cap? Maybe I'll do it without sticking it in. It'd be nice to just be able to tuck these in. Put the cap around it. And it's in place. No show wires either. What do you think? The LED looks a little brighter, huh?
Yeah, it does.
Less volts and more brightness.
You can see the blue versus, look at this one.
Oh yeah. And that's why everyone switched from HIDs to LEDs. Coming over to the other side to do this side. It's just unscrewing this cap to get to the light bulb. This bike actually comes with HID lights. So they have a ballast hidden inside this this little cover. So we have to remove this. If you don't have HID lights with aftermarket ballast, you don't have to worry about doing this extra step. This was something from back in my generation when we had, before LEDs were a big thing. HIDs were what you wanted for powerful lights. Oh yeah, look at that. They zip tied the ballast in there. So, in changing the headlights, we're actually saving a couple of pounds, probably, maybe at least 1.5 pounds. Taking this old, outdated technology out of the motorcycle. LED light. And it should just plug right in. Has a little fan here on the back to keep it cool. So we ran into a surprise while changing out the headlights that we thought were stock headlights. They turned out to be HID headlights. And back in the day, HID was the way to go for brighter headlight action, but you had to install these giant ballast, which is like 1.5 pounds that we got rid of. And the LEDs have now surpassed this old technology from my time. So now we have a nice smaller LED headlight that we put in place right here, and we're just going to wrap this wire collar around it. So we're going to push it in about halfway, and then we're going to make sure that this wire bracket that holds it flush to the headlight unit comes around it. Do kind of have to mess with it a little bit. There we go. So now both wire parts are around the fan on the back of the LED light. Now kind of twist it to make sure it's in the right place. Looks good up there. Okay. And then we need to push once we see it sitting flush in there, it's oriented the way we want it to be. Which really with these lights, they should be you can pretty much put them in any direction. I kind of like to have them to where they're facing up towards the reflector, but it doesn't really matter that much. Okay, so we're just gonna, because it is different than stock sizing, it just kind of takes a little finagling to get this thing locked. It's like pretty much a paper clip. Well, a little springier than a paper clip. And we want to make sure that it gets locked into place. Get my needle nose pliers. You will go into place, or I will put you into place. There we go. Into place. Just like that. And then this fan needs to spin freely. Now we're going to take our little connection and just feed it through there. And then our locking back plate. After a little discussion, we decided to get rid of this because it could hinder the LED fan from spinning. And it just makes it more breathable. So we'll put that there. I kind of spin it counterclockwise. They find little grooves that this thing sink into, and then spin it back clockwise to lock it into place. And it still spins. All right, let's check it out. Looks good. High beams. Even better. Now we're ready to go blind people, or at least make sure that they know where we are. Stay out of the grease, everybody.